Rusty James, 455.
On the scene of the injury accident on Weston Parkway at Evansville. Leaf Honda, where the oil changes are free for life. It's easier here. Check out leafhonda.com. Making a delicious seafood dinner can seem complicated. To demonstrate how easy it is, we've broken it down for you. Step 1. Stop by the Public Seafood Department and allow an associate to assemble a cooking bag dinner of your choice. Thanks. Step 2. Place pre-assembled meal in the oven.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northern Jackson County and central Indiana, Marion County and central Indiana. This includes the city of Indianapolis until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, amateur radio weather spotters reported a tornado just south of Martinsville, or about 17 miles north of Bloomington, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The most dangerous part of the storm is expected to be near Bargersville at 1:35 p.m., Greenwood at 1:40 p.m., Homecroft at 1:45 p.m., Beech Grove in Indianapolis at 1:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a life-threatening tornado emergency. If you are in the path of this large destructive tornado, take cover immediately. The safest place to be during a tornado is in the basement. If no basement is available, go to the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room. Get under sturdy furniture or use blankets or pillows to cover your body. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get set a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot. Cover your head with your hands.
Feeders 20% off. Save big on 10 and 24-pound Smart Cat light.